Hello everyone, how are you? Today we have an unboxing. Okay, let me flex first the earrings. We have the earrings. Our earrings is butterfly. And then our necklace is choker. And a ring. And another ring. Because we're wearing a floral dress, so might as well wear a butterfly. Ay nako guys. Hindi na naman na-post ko yung video ko, tapos ngayon hindi ko na-on. So ngayon hindi na-record yung unboxing ng mga yung ibang item, kaloka. Ay, Diyos ko Lourdes. Okay, so now I'm going to flex the goods that we have. Okay, I'll start first with this Michael Kors two-way bag. Yan siya. Ganda nito. Detachable, strap is detachable. Ganyan siya kalaki guys. Ganyan. And this one is leather, soft leather. And it's easy to clean. You can just wipe it with a wet cloth. Or a wet tissue. Wet. And then we have a Salvatore. We have a Salvatore shoes. This one is size 8.5. This is all Salvatore shoes. So these are Salvatore shoes. We have also a YSL Newsboy cup. Newsboy cup, I think. Newsboy cup. So yan siya. Yan, YSL. YSL. Back. Osus. Lumabas ang tinai. So yan. Pwede din yan ganyan. Mas maganda yung ganyan. Okay, and then we have Gucci. And then we have this Gucci. This one is agenda with card slot. And then we have another Gucci passport case. Pink color. And we have this one, a brooch dolphin with Swarovski rhinestone, I mean. And then the ribbon. And our jewelry is, we have a 11 grams, 45 centimeter, 12 cut chain. And then we have a pendant. CC pendant with a diamond on it. And then we have a letter M with diamond also. Kasya to sa 10 grams. 11 grams. So, yan. Kainis eh. So, ayan. Ay, nakakainis talaga yung ano eh. Ito naman is, ito yun siya, ang ganda nito. May diamond pa siya, guys. Yun oh. Ayan. Diba? And then we have this beautiful necklace. 39 grams with diamond in the middle. Okay. Kita ko sa iyo paano to ha. So yan yung ating necklace na si. Ayan. So yan. This ring also is available. Tapos ito naman yung letter M. Ayan, letter M. Na, nagporles na. And then, suot natin yung ano guys. Suot natin to guys, ha? So, yan. Ang ating heart, o, diba? So beautiful, di ba? So, ayan yung ating heart. Okay, so yun yung mga items natin, guys. But before I'm going to end this unboxing, I'm going to show you my one prize for our raffle. Our free raffle for my buyer. So this one is our prize. One, another, this is one, this is, ay, Diyos ko, kaloka. This one is a part of our, this is, okay. This one, guys, is a prize, one of the prize of our free raffle of my buyer. And what's inside is secret. Yan siya. Ay, hindi ko ito siya bubuksan. Ito siya, oh. Anyway, magpo-post naman ako ng picture. Ay, hindi ko na siya buksan kaya hindi siya matanggal, Diyos ko. Anyway, magpo-post naman ako ng picture niyan. Okay, so that's our one prize. And then the other one, I don't know yet. I haven't decided yet. Okay, guys. So that's all for our unboxing. And thank you so much. Bye. Happy Sunday.